Hey everyone, this is Navneet and you're watching Your DZINR. Today we are going to talk about the typography, like what type of typography should be used in a web design or in a graphics, and why typography is important basically in order to make any of the designs, right? So here we have like upon few resources about the typography, but before deep dive into that, let's talk about the typography, what typography is and how we can make it happen. Okay, typography basically stands for the types of fonts, the things like you are using nowadays and you are seeing, right? So many things you have seen on the web page, right? So many types of fonts you have seen on web page, but that are exactly the things which count as typography, right? That doesn't means ki like you have like highlighted something or bolded something or that thing, that is known as formatting, right? But typography is completely different with the formatting, because most of the people understand that typography is something which is tailored to the formatting. No, that's not right. So today we are going to talk about the typography. Typography simply means like it is having four types of fonts, and the first type of font starts with serif, as we are having on our display serif font. Okay, so basically what serif font is, so here you can see that the serif font is totally different with itself. It is having a curved edges, I can say. Here you can see in every letter you will get the edges at the end of the like letters, right? Here you can see here, here you can see here, here you can see here, 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 everywhere you will get the like curve of the edges, and they are having really sharp edges of the, I can say, like just like this you can say, right? Every like every word is having that thing, right? Every letter is having that thing, that thing. Okay, so that is known as serif. So serif simply means this thing, and this is something when we should use this particular thing. So that simply means whenever we need to show something traditional, right? Whenever we need to see something respectable, reliable, elegant, or sophisticated, whenever we have to do like whenever for example, whenever we are using something we are creating a design for example Chhat Puja, right? Then in that case what typography you will use? So you can definitely go with the serif font, right? Because that is like known as tradition, right? Chhat Puja is just a tradition of ours, right? And we can use this font there, and many of the Instagram posts or Instagram reels you have seen there, like they are using traditional things, right, in that particular post, and they are using the serif font over there, and that is something which makes that reel really amazing, right? And these are the two font examples, right? For example, Times New Roman, or Garamond, or Georgia, and Plantino. Okay, so these are the things, these are the fonts which you can use when it comes to serif font. Okay, and serif font is basically when we are using, whenever we need to make something premium, luxurious, right? Elegant. And if I'm talking about the traditional, right? So in that case, what color, what font we need to use? We need to use serif at that time, right? And if I'm talking about the second thing, that is second font is sans serif. Sans serif stands for, okay, sans serif stands for like yeah, this is exactly the sans serif thing, right? How it looks like, it don't have the edges, right? And serif is having the edges. Okay, sans serif don't have any edges. It is the simple text how it looks like, and yeah, this is how it looks like, and it don't have any edges. It's just a normal font, and it looks like this. Okay, and when we need to use it, we just need to use it whenever we need to like show something clear, right? Show something clean looking, show something modern, show something efficient, or show something straightforwardness, right? And these are the some font examples of sans serif: Arial, Helvetica, Futura, Calibri. So these are the font examples of sans serif which you can use whenever you want to make a design really clear, right? Clean looking, or I can say efficient, modern, right? So in that case, what color, what font you can use? You can use sans serif. I don't know why, like instead of font I'm saying colors, just because like we have made the previous video regarding the color, so that's the reason, I guess. Okay, so ignore it, just focus on the things like what I'm delivering to you. Okay, the third types of font we are having is a script font. A script font is basically use whenever we want to show something like soft, right? Whenever the same thing which happens with the colors, just remember the color psychology video session, and there you will get that we have talked about the pink color, right? The same thing happens here as well. Okay, so it's basically looks like this, which is basically a cursive. Okay, and here you can see when you need to use it, right? Whenever you need to show something emotional, personal, uniqueness, creativity, elegant, right? So these are the situations when you can use instead. Whenever you can also use whenever you want to show something loving, caring, soft, emotional, right? So at that place you can also use this script. Okay, script fonts. So yeah, and the last font we are having is decorative font. Decorative font is something which looks like this, right? Like it's like totally strange types of fonts, right? As you can see here, and you can use those fonts as well into your designs whenever it comes to casual, creative, original, flexible, and urban, right? So yeah, here we are having some name of the example of the decorative font, which is phosphate, chalk duster, graffiti, or grunge, or stencil, right? So these are the decorative font examples, and we are having also some script examples like yeah, okay, Pacifico, Lobster, Tangerine. Yeah, these are the font example of a script. You can also use that, and yeah. So these are the things which I want to show you guys, because you know what, every font is having an emotion, and emotion something means like whenever you are creating any design or any web design, that simply means you are like conveying a message to them, right? You are conveying a message from brand to your audience. You are just trying to convey that thing, right? That's the reason you are making that a post or that website, right? So in that case you need to take care of few things like colors, fonts, because just think about it, like if you are having a laptop design, right? And where you want to show the loudness of your speakers of the laptop, then at that time what font you can use? Can you use script? Can you use serif? Can you use sans serif? Or can you use decorative? Just let me know in the comment, and I'm giving you the 5 seconds for that, and I'm waiting here. I hope most of you have done the comment, and here we can use the script font, because script font is something which like obviously dedicates the music as well. Okay, because like it feels the right, it is having a feel, so that's the reason we are using script here. So yeah, so this was it guys for the typography thing, and we have covered almost every types of typography, right, which mainly use in designs and web designs, right? And if you haven't checked out the color psychology video, just go and check it out and let me know how was that. And if you want to learn in the entire Figma or designing, then must subscribe this channel so that we can deliver you such an informative video on weekly basis, I can say, right? So thank you so much for watching the entire video, and see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, just go and subscribe it now. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on LinkedIn. Our entire channels, our entire handle is in the description, or here you can see below somewhere around. Okay, so yeah, go and follow us now and connect with us on the social media platforms as well. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you.